Hello friends and welcome to Pranya's Creation. We are here in Sawantwadi at Moti Talab. Moti Talab situates in the heart of the Sawantwadi city. If we could say that Sawantwadi is a beauty, then Moti Talab is its beauty spot. Now, let us explore a picturesque beauty of this talab. Come on. Moti Talab is a majestic lake right in front of the majestic palace, which was constructed in 1874. Moti Lake is a small but beautiful lake at the center of Sawantwadi town. It is a pride of the village. This Moti Talab has its own history. The province had determined to create palaces for the emperor, and therefore began the work of excavation, which led to creation of this lovely lake as a reservoir of water turned into created. While the fortunate employees made a killing as they had been paid or supplied with moti for the superb task finished by means of them. So that's how the lake got here to be called Moti Talab. It was really pleasant to sit over here and to enjoy a scenic beauty. This lake also serves as an important road junction with the national highway on one side and the smaller state highways leading to the coastal towns near Malvan on the other. All travelers passing through Sawantwadi on the way to Goa will see this enchanting water body in the center of this town, which lies in the Sindhudurg district of southern Maharashtra. The Sawantwadi Palace or Rajwada of the erstwhile rulers of this princely state is just next to the lake, and the majestic gate leading to the palace is clearly visible on one side.
Most of the working people come here, sit quietly, ignoring all the traffic sounds, and do their work on laptop or might be on a phone. So, in short, this is really a pleasant atmosphere, I would say, and I really like this place a lot.
On the other side of lake are a row of shops and restaurants, while travelers can stop for a bite. There are a few good hotels too near the lake. One can stop overnight or longer, since Sawantwadi is also one of the lesser known and beautiful resort towns of India. The best time to visit this place is during evening or at the night time, when the lights are on. You could sit here, relaxing yourself and enjoying the cool breeze over here. So, this was my beautiful experience at Moti Talab. If you happen to be traveling on Mumbai-Goa highway, do have a break at this beautiful lake and share your experience in comment box. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated. We'll meet again with more such beautiful places. Till then, bye bye.